How to control your PC from your iPad. How one can set up and use Parallels Entry to management your PC. In the event you plan to control your PC from an iPad frequently, the price is value it. You possibly can register to your PC remotely utilizing a 4G connection or a distant Wi-Fi. As an alternative of taking management of the mouse, Parallels Entry transforms your PC into what is actually an app server. Your iPad launches apps by means of a particular menu system, with each bit of software program working in full screen mode in your iPad. You possibly can work together with the apps, very similar to they had been an app. This interplay contains tapping menus and buttons together with your finger to activate apps without dragging the mouse pointer over to the apps. Comply with these steps to regulate your laptop with an iPad utilizing Parallels Entry. Parallels Entry works on home Windows and macOS. Go to the Parallels website and register an account. It's essential to register for an account to make use of the product as soon as downloaded. Choose Purchase Now or obtain free trial to obtain a model of the software program for Mac or home Windows. After the obtain, choose the downloaded file to put in the software program. Like most software program, you might be requested the place to put in the applying and conform to the phrases of service. After putting in, launch the software program for the primary time and, when prompted, enter the email handle and password you used to create your account. In your iPad, obtain the Parallels Access app from the App Store. After the obtain is completed, launch the app. You are requested to register to the account you created. As soon as that is finished, you will notice that computer systems that at the moment run the Parallels Entry software program. Faucet the PC you need to management, and a brief video exhibits, supplying you with a tutorial on the fundamentals. You have to run the Parallels Entry software program in your PC earlier than you'll be able to entry it in your iPad. Drawbacks of utilizing Parallels Entry. Parallels Entry takes away the precision typically wanted to regulate a PC, translating close to misses on a button to an accurate button press. One other disadvantage to Parallels Entry is that your PC is not as usable whereas being remotely managed. If you wish to information somebody by means of a job remotely by taking on their laptop to indicate the methods to do one thing, for instance, Parallels Entry is not the perfect resolution. For many different causes to regulate a PC by means of an iPad, Parallels Entry is the perfect resolution obtainable. How one can set up and use VNC Viewer to management your PC. VNC Viewer is a free iPad management resolution that is splendid for private use. The free model does not embody distant printing or superior safety features. Nonetheless, for the fundamental act of controlling a PC from an iPad, it is as much as the duty. It additionally contains 128-bit ICE encryption to guard your knowledge. Comply with these steps to regulate your laptop with an iPad utilizing VNC Viewer. Navigate to the real VNC website and obtain VNC Viewer to your PC. You may discover the most recent variations of the software program obtainable for home Windows and macOS. After the obtain finishes, choose the file to begin the setup. You are prompted for a location and to conform to the phrases of service. You could be prompted to set an exception to your firewall. This permits the iPad app to speak together with your PC without the firewall blocking it. When the VNC software program first launches, you might be requested to create a password. This password will likely be used when connecting to the PC. As soon as the password is ready, you may see a window titled Get Began. This provides you the IP handle wanted to attach with the software program. In your iPad, download the VNC Viewer app from the App Store. After you launch the app, arrange the PC you need to management. Enter the IP address from above and provides the PC a reputation, equivalent to my PC. As soon as linked, management the mouse pointer by transferring your finger across the display. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe. Don't forget to share.